Next, we're going to begin by drawing the floor plan itself, drawing the walls. So I'm going to go up to the layers ribbon here, and I'm going to make sure that my walls are selected. Now, the book tells you to use not line command, but polyline command. And I need to explain there is a difference. Line command, well, the shortest path between 2 points, but polyline is more than 1 point. So I'm going to choose polyline, and there's no exact place to begin drawing your walls, but somewhere in the back, towards the upper part of this rectangle here, I'm going to start off with the back wall. So I'm going to pick a point, and notice I'm in polar, not ortho. Polar, I can go at any angle, but it will track the poles for me. It'll turn dash green. I'm going to move due east. Now, here's the other thing. We program layers. We program walls to be 0.6 millimeter. What that is your line weight is hidden. So if your lines aren't really thick like how they are right now, we need to make sure line weight is showing. See, you can hide line weight. You can show line weight. I hope you see what I'm pressing down here in the status bar. If you don't see line weight in the status bar, go over to Customize Status Bar. You're going to see line weight. Make sure it's checked on. I've already got mine checked on. So make sure line weight's checked on. When you check it on, it's going to populate. So you can turn it off and turn it on. I'm going to show line weight and head due east. And the book and the PowerPoint slide tells me to come across the back wall 24 feet. Enter. Next, I need to come toward the front wall to form the right wall. They tell me to go 17 foot 9. Enter. Then I'm going to come out. This is going to be a little water heater room. Looks like I come out 3 foot 4 inch. Then I go towards the front wall here. Make sure polar tracking is on. It looks like a slice of pizza pie. You got polar and ortho. Ortho and polar. So I'm going to come toward the front wall, polar tracking due south. 3 foot 8. 3 foot 8. Enter. Now I'm going to come back 3 foot 4. 3 foot 36 and 4 is 40. So I'll just type in the inches. Next I come forward 10 foot 7. Then I'm going to come across to form this front wall 15 foot 4. Go toward the back wall here 4 foot even. 4 foot even is 48 inch. Next I come across this direction 3 foot 4. Well, we already discussed 3 foot 4 is 40 inch. Then I'm going to go toward the rear wall 48 inch. 4 foot even. Come out to form this front wall and this porch area 12 foot. 12 foot. 12 times 12 is 144 inch. Next, I'm going to start working this left side of the wall. Looks like 4 foot and 1/2 the inch. So I'm going to type in 4 foot 0.5. 0.5 as a decimal. It'll do that. Oh, okay, it'll do that. Then I come out 2 foot 2. 24 and 2 is 26 inch. Next, I go towards the rear wall. It's going to form a fireplace. 4 foot 2. 4 foot is 48 plus 2 inches is 50 inch. So 4 foot 2. Then I come back, looks like 2 foot 2, 26 inch. Last but not least, to connect the whole perimeter together, looks like 15 foot 9.5 inch. So I type in 15 foot 9.5, enter. That should close together your entire perimeter. And being that it's a polyline, we need to give these exterior walls thickness. So the next step, they tell you all the walls except one are going to be 4 inch thick. So I'm going to go to the modify ribbon, look for offset. You could type in O spacebar. That'll put you in offset mode too. The specific distance is 4. So in our case, looking for distance. So I type in 4, enter. And you're going to want to offset this perimeter. The direction to get it is not outside. You don't want to go outside. You want to go inside. So make sure to make the copy. Let me show you. You don't want to go outside. That would be wrong. All your dimensions would be off. You want to make sure when you make this copy, select inside. And then simply right click or press enter or press escape to get out of the offset command. Now you've got 2 polylines, 1 and 2. Next, we're going to begin working the interior walls, okay? We're going to begin working the interior walls.